Namaskar, my friend. Everyone is talking about AI, throwing big fancy words at you: tokens, transformers, embeddings. It can feel like a lecture in a language you never studied. So today, a little promise from your old Guruji. 9 of the biggest AI ideas, in plain words, with a tiny everyday example for each, all in about 8 minutes. No fear, no jargon. Chalo, let us begin the countdown. Number 1. Tokens. A machine cannot read a sentence the way you and I do. So first, it chops your text into little pieces called tokens. I love samosa becomes 3 neat chunks: I love samosa. Snap, snap, snap. Think of them like Lego bricks of language. A few thousand standard bricks, and from them you can build almost any word in almost any sentence. Everything the model ever reads, it reads as these little bricks. Number 2. Embeddings. The machine only understands numbers, never words. So each token is turned into a list of numbers, a vector. And here is the magic. These numbers are arranged like points on a giant meaning map. Words with similar meaning sit close together. King sits near queen. Apple sits far away near banana. So the machine can feel that two words are related just by how near their points are. Words become geography. Number 3. The neural network. This is the brain itself. Picture layers of tiny units we call neurons. Each one does a very small, very simple sum and passes the answer to the next layer. One neuron alone is silly. But stack thousands of them in layers, and together they learn patterns no single one could. Like a huge dabbawala chain, each person does one tiny job, but the whole network delivers the right lunch to the right desk. Number 4. The transformer. This is the special design, the architecture, behind almost every modern AI you have heard of. The GPT in ChatGPT. That T stands for transformer. Think of it as the engine under the bonnet of a car. Tokens go in one side, the engine does its clever work, and out comes a prediction for the next token. Older designs read word by word, slowly. The transformer can look at the whole sentence at once. That is what made today's AI possible. Number 5. Attention. This is the secret sauce inside that engine. For every word, the model asks, which other words should I pay attention to right now? Take the sentence, the cat was tired so it slept. What does it mean? The model looks back and decides, it points to cat. Just like a classroom where, before answering, you glance at the few friends who actually know the topic. Attention is the model choosing who to listen to. Number 6. Pre-training. How does this engine learn anything at all? You feed it an unbelievable amount of text, books, websites, almost the whole internet. And you give it one simple game, played billions of times. Hide the next word and ask it to guess. The cat sat on the mat. Right or wrong, it adjusts a little and tries again. Do this for months, and slowly it soaks up grammar, facts, reasoning. It is reading the whole library to learn to finish your sentence. Number 7. Fine-tuning. After pre-training, the model is like a bright student fresh out of general school. It knows a bit of everything, but it is not yet polished for any one job. So we give it extra coaching on a smaller, focused set of examples: how to be a helpful chat assistant, or a doctor's helper, or a coding expert. Sane brain, special tuition. General school first, then specialist coaching. That is how a raw model becomes a useful one. Number 8. RAG. The model's memory is frozen at training time, and it can confidently make things up. So instead of trusting memory alone, we let it look things up. RAG means Retrieval Augmented Generation. When you ask a question, it first fetches the right documents, your company files, the latest news, and reads them before answering. It turns a closed book exam, where you must remember everything, into an open book exam. Far fewer mistakes, much fresher answers. Number 9. AI Agents. So far, the model only talks. An agent lets it act. We hand the model a set of tools: search the web, run code, send an email, book a ticket, and let it decide which tool to use and when. It can plan a goal, take a step, see the result, and take the next step. Less like a clever friend who only gives advice, and more like an assistant who actually goes and gets the work done. Wonderful! 9 ideas, done. Now let your Guruji stitch them into one single story, so they stick forever. Your words are chopped into tokens, the little Lego bricks. Each brick is turned into numbers, an embedding, a point on the meaning map. So far, words have become geography. Those numbers flow into the transformer, the engine. Inside, attention lets every word decide who to listen to. And underneath it all sits the neural network, layers of tiny sums, learning patterns together. This engine first reads almost the whole internet, that is pre-training. Then it gets specialist coaching for its real job, that is fine-tuning. General school, then focused tuition. And finally, we give it an open book to look things up, that is RAG. And tools to take action, that is an agent. From a single token, all the way to an assistant that gets work done. That, my friend, is modern AI in one breath. Want to go deeper, properly, step by step? Come to AI Academy, the link is below, and the first lessons are completely free. Keep your curiosity bigger than your fear. Chalo! AI Academy. By Concept Good.